Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome to BMW Programming and Encoding channel on YouTube. Today we're working on BMW F90 and we are going to program the airbag module and also the TCB. But the owner does not have a real genuine icon next. He only connect to the car using an Ethernet cable. We're going to see if we can code a TCB with it. Okay? And if we call the airbag have to be locked by ISTA-D and the Ethernet cable, I don't think it can lock it. Alright? We can also go here in vehicle management and look in service function and look into driver assistance system, and we can look up if the airbag can be locked. Usually we should see an ABL, a procedure to run to lock the airbag. I should go here, safety function. We should find it right here. See that? It's not there. They hide it. They only want the airbag to be locked whenever a new one is being bought. They have ISTA-D to be programmed, and then the ABL function run. Whenever you replace the airbag, you can now tell ISTA-D right here that airbag is being replaced in after replacement control unit tab. After I finish calculate the measure plan, you can select the ACSM, the airbag control module, which is it right here. So the ACSM at the top right here, and then it will add it to the measure plan. If they know it is not used and having another VIN, they will go ahead and program it successfully and write the coding file to it, then they lock it. That's the only time they allow the procedure for the ABL file to run to lock it. That's what they do now, you know. In other previous F series, in earlier years, they allow you to find the service function here, right here, safety function. It's not showing up anymore. If you go right here, maybe either it's there or it's not there, you know. Locking airbag. See that? It's not there anymore. See that? ABL. See that? There's nothing for locking airbag. See that? It's gone. They remove it out. Usually be here, right here in locking and security function. It's not there anymore. And if it's not there, we can also find it here in safety function. See that? They only have the front passenger seat occupancy detection. You see? Alright. Alright, so if we go even here, telematics, you see, alright, this will not be found there. If we go to maintenance and delivery, let me see if we can find something there. You see that? It's not there. Anyway, you take it. Alright, these are the control units on the car. Currently we have 44 fault codes. And then we search out all the models to see if all the models have their software units there. All the software units, which are the 3 coordinates of the software files, written on the control module with your software IDs right here. And EGS also, it has loaded up with its 3 coordinates. Loaded up, loaded up. The airbag, see that? Look at the CAFD file. See all FFF? All FFF tell you that you do not read out an ID number. It does not read out an ID number from the current airbag in the car. So we have to now retreat the airbag and the airbag module, and then it will write over the CAFD file. And the CAFD file, it will look like one of the files here in the DME. You know, it will look like that. You see the CAFD file there, the DME, you see the ID of it that shows 000022742. Alright, it will not show the same for the airbag, but it will now have its own identity. See? So all FF are shown there, so that it tells you that it's not coded. So you have to code it. Understand? So that's what those FFFFFF mean. And we can click on it, you know, and click on call up ECU function. We click on the description for the control module that says ACSM. Click on it, and then we click call up ECU function. We go here, software information. You can see right here. Look at it. CAFD coding application file data show all FFFFF. Alright, 255 mean nil, mean nothing. Alright, right here, over here, you see nominal. Nominal mean what is expected to be on the manual. Right? So that's what nominal mean. Nominal mean what is expected. So it tells you what is expected. This is the CFD file 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And it show you that they carry different ID numbers. The first part here of the file name is called ID. Right here is called the main version. Right here is called the subversion. Right here is also called the subversion. Alright? Yeah. So, you know, these coding files have different type of application to be interacting with the car, body function, and the airbag deployment and so on. So that is why they have so much CFD and so on, right? So that's what they represent. That's why they have at least 6 of them. And they all given different names for the ID, you know? They identify them very differently. Alright, boom. So we can close out that crap. you have the TCB, you can click on that and you click on call up ECU functions. And here's the owner. This is our boy here. This is our boy here, our owner there. Hey, what up? What up, Han? Big up. The flex ray might not be initialized again. Alright, so we go here, software unity. As you can see, there is right here the technical units telling you what is the current actual readout from the module right here on the left side. It show you that the coding application file data show you all FFFFF. 255 mean nil or null, you know, and then it show you over the right hand side here what is to be expected on it. It show you the files that are required. These are what they call the nominal and also basically for sol. After measure plan is calculated, it look for these IDs on the real module that belongs to the car's vehicle order. And then it also look for IDs of these files in the folder right here. It look for all of them right here in the folder. This one, that one, it go right here and look for all of them. It's right here. It look for the IDs right here. All these IDs right here. For the coding file, CAFD, they are sorted for right here by the program. And if you find a matching ID, if you find the ID that says 1F61, it will look for the main version. If the main version is 001 and the subversion is 21, the subversion also, the subversion can be 22 in order for it to be qualified for an update. Or the patch level 006 will be increased to 007. That's how they ordain that. Boom. That's what they mean by that. That's what they ordain that. Alright, so we're going to be able to go. We're going to disconnect from this. Before we go ahead and connect with ESIS, we have to go ahead and, it's an S15. It's an F15A, so we go here and choose one of these eye level targets. So we go back here in ISTA-D and we go by the control unit. We go over to the vehicle details page and we look at the eye level factory and we look at S15A. We look at the ICEP shipment. 2018, the car was released in the month of March 03, and then the version of that eye level shipment is 530. So what we need is just 1803 with the vehicle target, you know. So we look for you have two of them here. We have S15, we have S15A, and it has on target of 2025 of July. So we can choose any one of them, you know what I mean? But I usually choose the earlier one. No big deal, you know. Alright, we click connect. Alright, when I connect with the Ethernet cable and the gateway is saw it, the ESIS will pick it up and it will demonstrate the VIN number of the car. And then there it goes. It read out blah blah blah. Alright, so we can have that. Usually I go expert mode and I start calculating from here. No, not calculating, but just read out I step from here. And then we read out FA and FB all together one time. Should show up now. Alright, boom. We calculate vehicle profile. And then we go over here to file space right there on the file stop, click that and we click save. But I saved this yesterday. This is the name of it. This is the FA. See that? That's it. That's the FA. Click save again. Yeah. And this is the vehicle profile. I saved it yesterday because yesterday I read out this car. Okay. So what we do now, we go here. And then we go here, comfort mode, then we click calculating. There we have read out FA already, so we go right here, activate FA. Alright, then we click read ECU. In some cases, when you click read VCM, the VCM is not written. The VCM is vehicle configuration management, written in the CAS unit EPROM, so that we can have a measured backup of it. So usually that is what read VCM means. But sometimes the car is not fully programmed. ISTA-D online or the offline ISTA of the program the car entire, and then it will write these information to the VCM. So if we can't read it from the VCM, we will read it from the read ECU directly through the central gateway. Alright, so that's what we do here, and then we look at if we say sol, and this is it right here. We saved this yesterday for the video. See that? Boom. We go like this. Over right there, and then we click. Oh, we need a later ISTA-D. Oh, the reason why we get this error. You see this is version 3.30.1. The ISTA-D PSD data cannot be calculated by it because this ISTA this ESIS need to be updated. They need to remove this one and put a later version on it. So we have to disconnect from the car for now. We have to remove this. We have to remove that shit. And we gotta go back to, let me go over to the downloads page. I wanna copy over, I have some kind of a program to transfer over. Let me see if I can find, I think I have ESIS here. I think I can give it to him. I think I have ESIS 40, this one. Let me transfer it over to him. I let him have it. Because the ESIS is using this version, 3.30. And he's using the Pro version right here, 2.8.1 right here. This is what he has. This is pretty old. This is about from 2022. No, wait a minute. This is from about 2020, probably 2017, 2018. You know what I mean? So this is kind of pretty old. So we're gonna remove the old ESIS. We're gonna remove this one here, this one. We're gonna remove this. We're gonna install that one. Right, done now. So we're gonna now resurrect this. Now we're gonna launch. Alright, we gotta remove that one. That's the shortcut for the older one. We'll remove that shit. This is the new one. We're gonna launch it. And we're going to now, hopefully we can calculate that stuff from the car. That's the car VIN number right here. But the reason why I saved this right here is to create this name for the FA, the vehicle order. We'll give it the name and also other file systems that may be found in here in this. We name the BMW folder in my documents the same thing to store all the files for it, such as the vehicle equipment, the vehicle details, and then operation report, then fault code list, and then diagnosis for Ethernet functional description, blah blah blah. So we can take a look at what the PDF displayed for you know, we can take a look at what the PDF displayed. This is what it displayed here. Oh shit, fuck you, Adobe. You also come up with this fucking shit, man. I hate this fucking people. All about fucking love of money. Shit, man. Get fed up for these motherfuckers, man. Alright, we're gonna go now here. Let us see if we find the eye level targets. It should pick them up right away. 3, 2, 1. Boom, there they are. And they will go back here. And here goes the VIN is detected by it. Alright, so what we do now, we go to the we go down to S15A, let's choose the eye level target of July. We can choose November if we want, but we'll just choose that one. You know, we'll just use the other one for redundancy, just in case. Alright, we click read parameters from the VCM, and then we click connect. Alright, the parameters are read from the VCM. We wait, connection established. Yeah, we'll turn off this one. I mean, well, that is necessary to be had there. Let us click read that, and then we go like this. Boom. This is my way to go here. Go to VCM first, go to master, read that, read that. You can click that. We will go back to comfort mode. We will click calculating. Then we'll come back here and read out the ECU. Then we'll click this. And then we will click calculate. It should go through. See now? Because it's a later version, 3.40. What year this was released? I don't know. Maybe this was released probably about 2 years ago. 3 years ago. The ESIS that I'm using, probably it was released back in 2016. Probably 10 years ago. 2015, 2016. 3.30. I bought that ESIS from a guy on eBay. Yeah. And so on. So that's why I get that one. I have it over a long time ago. And I earn a lot of money from it too. Boom. Alright, so we're back and we see so. Alright, this is the earbag here. If we code this, we're gonna need to lock it. So we're gonna go ahead and code it. We have to code also the ATM. We're gonna try to code the two of them. And so, but we're gonna make a transaction list for them. Let's see if we go through the issues. Issue one warning. This goes back to warning 2270, the VDP, Vertical Dynamics Platform, error while checking if ECU supports delete. Okay, error while checking if ECU support delete software unit. Job failed with negative response error. Ethernet is an Ethernet module, so we'll leave that alone. We're gonna still save shit like that. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go over here now to expert mode, and then we'll go to cloud processing. Click read FA. Click that ellipsis there. Load up the tile. We just say back calculating. We load up here. That's all. Click that and choose the song. Then we're gonna look at what is able to be flashed on the car. All right. So we know that the ATM. We're gonna uncheck all of them. We're not gonna program all those modules right here like that. We're gonna uncheck the one. Alright, let me see the one that is gonna be treated first. Oh, the head unit either bootloader flash or head unit. I'm not friggin' with that one. That one I'm fucking with. I'm gonna try to do the airbag and see if it works. But nevertheless, the airbag gonna take a long time. It's 4 files. You know what I mean? Let me see if I can check if the software out there. Yeah, the software is there. Let us go also for the ATM. Let us check if the software ability is there. Let me do the ATM. Let us see what will go through. Let me uncheck this and this. Let us uncheck boot, loader, flash, and software. Let us see if the coding file will be written to the ATM successfully. Alright, this dialog box shows you the current ICF shipment and the last treatment of the car, and the other one that says current. Current means currently actual. Alright, let us see if it goes through. Let us see if it goes through. Problem, shit, so software IC does not match. Whoa, shit, it failed. Aye. Failed as fuck, dude. I will go back to the comfort mode. It says something does not match, so. Go back over it again. Load over shit. So we go and check this. We check ATM. We're gonna clear the previous log. We're gonna start over again. I told him this is going to fail. We have to program the ATM over Internet modem. The Internet modem over DHCP server in it that designate the class A IP address. There it goes. SVK does not match expected control unit description model IDs for ECU. Bumbo clot. Problem red. Fucking red, dude. Yeah. It's failing again. It's failing again. Let me try. I don't know. Let me try again. One more time calculating. Let me go again. One more this shit. Alright. We already did that, so we are going to calculate salt over some. Calculate it over again. Well. We going to save so long, save that, so hopefully with our problem we're gonna calculate over tal again. Let us see because of the same fucking problem. It is failing. I tell him already it's gonna fail. We're gonna give it a shot, let's see. Load up that. Uncheck it again. We're gonna try to see if it we're gonna uncheck bootloader and that. Let us see if it will go through with the coding file again. Let us see. If it fails it, we're gonna check bootloader and software flash and see if those are written across the ATM. Because if it fails, it is his fault. I told him already. He should get genuine icon and do it. And it's really his study. He should do it. Oh, there it goes again. It shows that it has said the SVK ISD does not match expected. Yeah, it said the hardware variant wrong. I mean, shit. Oh man, I'm telling you, dude. Ah boy, the only way we can tell this shit. Alright, let me program the airbag module. Let me program the whole thing again. Let me see if we can program the whole thing here. Let me see if they'll come up with the same thing. It should come up with the same thing. Because I checked bootloader and software deploy. Let us see if it comes up with the same thing. It should come up back with the same thing. SVK ISD does not match expected control unit description model IDs. The control model invoice are used on off eBay, the ATM, and it might buy the wrong part number and the wrong production date. And then he put it in this car, then ESIS can truly program it. You know what I mean? Because the ID in it is the part number dictate the ID that came with the model, because not all ATM is the same. There are some of them have different variant and they will be represented by different ID file, hardware electronic file, HWEL. And once that is changed and it's not matched to the ATM that you take out of this car came from factory, then it will come up with now the blah 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 that says SVK.ISD. Because the SVK are the installation table of all the ECU that came from factory, and they all have their respective IDs that are in those modules. But if someone bought a module of similar type and it is the wrong one, then you know it's not gonna go through with it, because it's not gonna be able to program the wrong hardware variant of a car. So you know that's a safeguard that they put there. Even ISTD as well. ISTD flagged the wrong control module, that is of the wrong part number, wrong production date, and also wrong hardware variant. So even ISTD online and offline rejects it. It does not go forward with the measure of plan. ESIS have the same thing built within it. Anyway, I checked bootloader deploy and software deploy. Somehow, both bootloader and software deploy is now going through. And it seems like we already have the bootloader deployed up to 100%. There it goes. Just keep, you know, there it goes right here. The bootloader. Alright. The software keep, you know, pulling back down the page, scrolling it back down. It's going through a sequence. They want to be F with. Anyway, so knowledge set up by some people. Coordination and stuff. If I after 3 minutes, I go pause the video. Oh, the buckle. Oh shit. Oh fuck, you get green? The ATM program successfully. What kid? I try the earbag now. Whoa. Oh, it's on the program successfully when you check bootloader and software deploy. Alright. Yeah. So there's something that you should learn from that. Alright, we're gonna go forward with this one. Wow, the ATM program. Fuck. It was the this coding file. The coding file only written successfully whenever the bootloader flash is written, and also the software deploy file is written. Damn, this one is going through successfully. Shit. Let's see if we get a green bar or an orange bar. We should get a yellow bar for the advanced cross safety module. Bloom, bloom, bloom. There it goes. Oh shit, he gave me a green bar and said, this is good. This motherfucker is good. So we can copy the log. It's good to copy this log, and then we copy that. We can put it here. Call it ESYS log. That is the log that I created for that. It's just information that I love to save, and you know. Alright, it's done successfully, so we're gonna go back here and then we're gonna click now read out. We're gonna go up here. Alright, see this right ATM, it should become now black. And then we should go up here now. See if we can click it here, right here. Look at them right here. See them? See that now? All black. All black. It done good now. Where to go? Where to go? Where to go, kid? It's only the BDC needed to be updated right now. BDC at 105.63.120. Yeah, we're gonna try right to the BDC. Let's see if we can update the BDC with that file processing. We're gonna go to the BDC now. Here's it. Let me see if we can update that. Go. Oh, go through it very quick. Go down. Master security model update. And what else? VCM update. Alright, this is go successfully. Boom. Our save the log, we're cleared. Alright, that one is updated, the BDC, so we go back here, comfort mode, that. And then we now look at BDC, and we're going to click read ECU. It's going to be all black now. There it goes. Scroll down and see if any other models. Okay, the EGS needs to be updated, so we can also try this one. Let me try update the EGS. The EGS has 23, you see, the patch level 002, sorry 022, and you have an increase of 023. Alright, we're gonna do that just now, and let us see what will be for the EGS here, and we're gonna program that. EGS should be giving us a green bar. Here it goes. There it goes. We see of all these logs for a reason. They show a proof of work. Nobody can say the car you didn't do a job for them, and I do more than what they required. The GSD and ICAM3, all of these need to be updated, but I'm not gonna. You said he disconnected both seats and the VDP. I don't know, bro. I don't wanna fuck with all of this shit, But alright, let us do the GSD. This is a differential lock. We're gonna update that. like it seem like it. You see that now? Program that, blah blah blah. Alright, so we copy this. You can save the logs if you want it. Although easy save the log itself inside of its own file system, but we keep a backup of it just in case. We clear it. iCam 3. I don't want to fuck with this one. Video vertical. I don't want to mess with that. Vertical dynamics platform. Leave that shit alone. Alright, we're gonna go here. Click reissue. EGS is black. The GDS also is black. It's program. It's only edited. I'm not fucking with that one. Leave that alone. iCam 3. It only just need a software flash update. It's just a main version. That's a sub version. That's all. That's all the shit in it. So nothing more. He said he disconnected both seats, so therefore I'm leaving them out. The vertical dynamics platform look like it have all black in it except this file. SWFK need to be updated in it right here. I don't want to fuck with it, dude, because it's just minute shit. You see that? You know, the patch level is just 0. The actual is 001 on the module now, and then this one in the sol to be updated. This is the updated file 0 to 1. Can't bother with that shit. Load the fuck up. This coming from a car. I'm done with this. I'm done with that shit, dude. We can disconnect now. We're gonna read over the car now. He's using an Ethernet cable, not a genuine iConnect, so switch over. Alright, car read out now. Boom. Bam. Display file codes. Alright, we're gonna go back to the control unit 3. We're gonna look at the TCB. If we see now the files, there goes the file arrangement. Boom. Yeah, so we're gonna get 177 file codes. This is because we program all the other modules and they lose communication dialogue with the other control modules while programming. So that is why those other control modules that are receiving control modules that receive message from the control modules which are programmed, they generate their own file codes. It's telling you that what Telegram did not receive after the terminal 15 is turned on. Alright, there goes. The file area CLD, there goes. Boom. And then also for this one here, airbag. There goes. I want to see the airbag is not locked. There goes the airbag file. All of them is written there. We're gonna delete shit now. It's gonna show file codes about the airbag not being locked. Alright, so transport mode is active. Transport mode becomes active in the top reverse side view camera because it works with other control modules. Alright, look at here. Airbag module, this one. The ACSM shows no current coding data record store. See that? But under existing column, it show you no. Okay. It shows you that transport mode is active right now in the ACSM module. So I have to delete transport mode to all the control modules. Also, it should show you that the airbag also is not locked. Alright, there goes the TCB. No current coding data stored, but under the existence column right here, it shows you oh, come on, dude. Where are you? Right there, it shows you no. Yeah. Also for this one, alright, yeah, so we're gonna say spare no, almost all no's. So there was no. You know? We look at what they say, yes. SMBF, this is what? The passenger seat model. You said disconnect the passenger seat. You said lane master K-line 6 now communication, really? And then also passenger seat, yeah. Lane, yeah. So he currently said he disconnected the 2 seats to remove them somehow to take out the ATM, the automatic telematics module, automatic telematics, ring area, blah blah blah. Alright, so much of a fucker. It shows for airbag module not locked. I don't know why. Oh, I don't see. see that one of it. I don't know how to see it. We're gonna delete the file codes. Oh shit, I accidentally click on calculate test plan. Fucking stupid, man. Lean bus lithium ion battery starter battery. Ah. Delete the file memories. Woo! Woo! We have 9 file codes left. Alright, okay YouTuber, there goes. We have 9 file codes left. Let us see what they are. And this is the telematics open circuit 2 and 1, here 1 and 2. So he disconnected those, maybe he doesn't disconnect, maybe he doesn't connect them yet, so that is the reason why. Alright, so this is it right here. My job is really finished, so gotta go now. Thank you for viewing my BMW programming and encoding channel on YouTube. Remember to subscribe. I am out. Bloom.